Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're here at 40 Aldrich Street, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. It's a first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Newly renovated. Starting a video tour when you walk in. Brand new flooring throughout. High ceilings. Huge living room here, as you can see. To my left, you have the kitchen area. Plenty of countertop space, cabinet space, gas stove, entrance there. Separate entrance, I should say. As you can see, all the countertops, ADA friendly, slightly lower. You do have a handicap ramp that leads up to that door there in the kitchen. Bedroom number 1 here. Could definitely fit a queen set. Big windows for plenty of natural light. Bedroom number 2 here. This could actually fit possibly a king set, definitely a queen. And you have the bathroom area as well. A shower, tub, and vanity. I'd like to schedule a viewing on 40 Aldrich Street, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Click that Show Bojo link at the bottom of the screen. Pick the time that best suits you. Or if you'd like to beat the rush and apply now, click Apply Now. Fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.